Hi everyone. Fear. Fear of doing something uncomfortable. You know that when you start to doing something very differently from your family member, from your society, it will give you fear. Exactly that what I am feeling right now. Fear is something that you are want to do, you actually want to do, and the pressure is that you have not told to do this because there are lots of people, lots of women in home, they don't do this, they only do their jobs. But the fact here is that I really want to do my own uncomfortable things that can give me growth. So it is very requirement for me that doing this enough. So I'm taking this steps. You know that when you take new steps, it will feel you that you have a sadness, hesitation, and sometimes sadness that what I'm doing it will work or not. There are lots of excuses your mind will begin to do make it. So make sure that everything you know that if I take new steps, anything could be new steps. I have to I will have to face my fear, anxiety sometimes, and sometimes the gossips of family members and maybe whispering about. So हम लोग का क्या है, बस खाना बनाओ और बर्तन साफ करो बस. No, we all have to do so much things in our life. So that's why मैंने एक नया स्टेप्स लिया है. I'm taking new steps to learn new things, to learn English. So that's why I'm taking new steps, and I'm not telling you that it cost me very, and it's not. I'm just preparing myself to do this, and let's see if I wear clothes, clothes, what it will give me a just little bit of satisfaction, a beauty of satisfaction. Yes, but rather than giving this opportunity, I make this opportunity for my own growth, personal growth, inner growth. You can say that it is inner growth. Like हम अंदर से बहुत स्ट्रांग हो रहे हैं, हम अंदर से mentally, physically, all from all around, we are making ourselves very very growthful. So please remind yourself that whatever you want to do in your life, you have to face trouble. Yes, we all will face trouble, failure, sometimes taunt by societies, even your family member, most important. So how to handle this? By the way, if there are lots of things in our life, there are lots of problems in our life, we have to face it, conquer it, and throw out it, and maybe you have to solve it. Very important things we must have to solve it. By solving this problem, you can change your inner world, and by changing your inner world, you can understand what is the real world. If you don't understand world, if you don't understand your inner world, what mean by of your life, there is nothing. You must have to stand up for yourself. You think that we all homemakers think that someone is doing something for me, that we must have to pay for them. Why? Yes, something is better because we can manage, we can understand and be partner, but be a lower partner is not right for us. So changer being a changer in our home, it's very crucial. It's very crucial for our children, most important. If you are learning and if you know that what is growth, what growth affect us and how it can change, so you can bring your environment in your home to live your child to fruitful your child. So it's all about your understanding, learning. So keep learning until you understand. And it is not that you have to understand. Lots of people are very understandable. It's not means that they are very very rigid person. No, by the way. So we all must to learn. At a mental, it is a very very big things. We think that our body is weak, our mind is very big. We must understand it. Its process, its conquer, its trouble, and its happiness. Some people have a lots of trouble. they have to make it happy, that they have to relate it with happiness, until your mind take it as a problem, as an anxiety, and it will save in your mind memory. So before you save our mind save this in the memory as a pain, you have to throw down it and name it for the good experience, bad experience. It's okay, it is the life. We all face some good, some bad experience based our own condition, based our societies. It's okay, no problem. We must have to understand this conquerness. So please go for it, do it for yourself. Learning is a very crucial step in our life, especially women's life. I'm not why you are, you all think that why you say only women, because I feel, that's why I'm telling it. If I don't feel, I can't say it. I feel that lots of homemakers, lots of women are very aggressive and very sad about their own identity. Why? Because they think that I'm just doing household chores and that's why I cannot earn money. Why not? You can, we all can earn money. We all can grow in our career despite all of these household chores. Of course, we have to manage. We have to manage all of these stuffs. And at a moment when your children grow at the age of 5, 6, you will feel that I'm free now, what I can do. So in that moment you have to take steps that I can learn, I can start my own journey. Now here is my point, I am starting my own journey despite all of these steps of household chores. So don't give any excuses, go for it, learn for it. And I'm very excited to do it. I'm very excited to join communities, to learn from them how they work, how their mindset, and how they develop this mindset for a couple of years. You know that when I heard from someone that I have a 17-year experience, 5-year experience, 7-year experience, my mind began to think that what is this? How they can do this? So that's why I'm telling you that learning is very crucial in our life, and it will give you a certain kind of understanding, better understanding, maybe very good understanding, you can say that, and a peace of mind, that our mind always think in a solution and always think in a that understanding with logically, not by one side, from both sides. And most important, we don't see anybody to as it is, and their perspective, their questions, their mock, all of these we don't see as it is. So please see any person's problems, any person whatever they are saying, look it as it is. It is very crucial for ourselves that we can understand that is, if this is in their mind, that means it is the problem. How they react, how they say, by emotion, by happiness, it's matter. You know that I used to think a lot that where to I start. Now I'm not taking actual action. I'm taking actual action by my taking steps to learning. But I'm not taking like a life practical. I'm practicing my own at my own places, but I'm not telling another people, teaching another people that how they can learn. So it is my ongoing journey. I'm not telling that I'm a very complete woman, I'm a complete perfect woman. No, I'm just doing my own stuff to get better and better. So for that I need to take any steps. It will be taken by future, yes, maybe, but I'm preparing myself for the future, not for the past. And my present is going to be better every day, no matter what is my future, no matter what was my past. I forget my past. My past was very creative and very good, a very full of lots of experience, without mother, without father, having a in unknown family member, but knowing like that this is my family member. So it is the very good things in my life, and I'm very grateful for that, I had that life. and I was very enjoying that life. And now I am telling you that I am experiencing my life very impressively. I am growing, and my growth point is only learning. I don't know what is my future. I don't know what is this, but exactly what I know that learning is very important in my life. So I prioritize it, that my learning is my life. Yes. Thank you so much.